Hi, welcome to Chapter 14, Crimes Against the State. You could call this the James Bond chapter. This is the chapter where we talk about matters of international intrigue and national security. These are areas where state prosecutors usually don't get involved. Federal prosecutors do on occasion. But it's a very exciting and interesting area of the law, and it's one that I think you'll enjoy learning about. I certainly enjoy reading about it. So we talk about treason, sedition, sabotage, espionage, what it takes to prove all of these things. We go over domestic and international terrorism. We talk about combat immunity, define what that is. And we talk about immigration law. And we also close the chapter with a discussion of international criminal law. And that's a very interesting concept because nations are sovereign and they're really not answerable in criminal court, typically. That typically includes leaders of nations for the acts that they undertake as leaders of those nations. And so please definitely watch the video at the end of this slideshow about the Nuremberg war trials, because it's really something. That's where international criminal law really kind of came to the world stage. It was, as you'll see when you watch the video, the question was what to do with the Nazis after World War II. And the United States took the lead in deciding what to do. And as you'll see, and perhaps you already know, what they did is they used a criminal law, criminal litigation context. And so they prosecuted them for war crimes, crimes against humanity. And so that's certainly a major period in the history of the world, and particularly in the history of international law and criminal law coming together. So definitely watch that. That's it for this chapter. I think it's an interesting chapter. I hope you think so too. That's our last chapter. So I want to thank you for your time and attention throughout this course. I hope that you found it enjoyable and educational. I've certainly enjoyed it. And that's it. Thank you very much.